I hate breath work, and that's exactly why I'm going to do it every single day for the next 7 days. Welcome to a new series on my page called Silkina Tries It All. As a curious soul, a curious person, this is my heaven. I'm going to dive headfirst into everything wellness, spirituality, personal growth, and whatever is in between that, the intersections of that. I'm here to explore it all, the highs, the lows, and the magical transformation along the way. Whether it's life-changing or just a fun experiment, I'm going to try it so you can too. Let's see where this journey takes us. On this first episode, we are going to try 7 days of Wim Hof's breath work. So one of the reasons why I want to do this is because, like I said in the beginning of this video, I hate breath work. I feel so uncomfortable with it. I just don't understand which aspect of breath work is enjoyable. People recommend it to me all the time, and I know the benefit. I know that it works as well, because when I do breath work, I can feel the emotions like bubbling up to the surface, and it gets so uncomfortable that I hate it. Like, that's the reason why I hate breath work. And I know that it's so egocentric and it's so ego based, but we are entering 2025 and I want to be comfortable with discomfort. I want to be okay with feeling uncomfortable. And I think that's the beauty of breath work. It really teaches you, and it teaches your body that it's okay to be unsafe in that moment and that you can handle it and you can go through it. I want to do more things that I'm fearful of, that I'm doubtful of, and things that I don't like in 2025. This is why I'm starting this series, because I want to teach my body and my mind that it's okay. It's safe. It's safe to change. It's safe to feel new emotions. It's safe to feel discomfort. Like, you can get through it. Okay, so I'm in my meditation chair. We're gonna start this breath work very soon. I took a little break to get my nails done, but I thought, let's talk a little bit about the benefits of breathwork. If you see me looking down, my phone is right here. So aside from me wanting to challenge myself and just to do things that I am afraid of, things that I don't like, I thought that we could talk about some of the benefits of breathwork. And there's like a whole host of them. There are physical benefits, mental, emotional benefits, spiritual, obviously, benefits. So the physical benefits, among others, are it improves your blood circulation. So it stimulates blood flow and improves how well the blood vessels, like your arteries and veins, work to circulate blood throughout the body. It strengthens your immune system, of course. It activates and boosts the immune response, making the body more resistant to illness. Apparently Wim Hof never gets sick. That's what he says, and honestly, I believe him. I mean, he's known as the Iceman, and I would imagine that if you put your body and your mind, yourself, in such intense circumstances, that you start to expand your capacity to deal with challenges, and not just challenges in your environment, but within yourself as well, right? The last one, it improves respiratory health, obviously, and cardiovascular health. This is actually one of the reasons why I want to do this as well, for the physical benefit. I have asthma, always had asthma since I was 17 years old. So this is definitely something that I'm looking forward to experiencing. One of the benefits, is to increase my lung capacity. For the mental and emotional benefits, stress reduction helps your body get out of fight or flight mode. Mood enhancement, it boosts serotonin and dopamine levels. This is also something that I'm looking forward for the benefit, because I feel like I'm trying to get dopamine from more high quality sources breath work, and not from low quality sources like scrolling on TikTok or eating when I'm bored, you know? So that's definitely something that I'm looking forward to experiencing. The spiritual and energetic benefits deepens mind-body connection. Absolutely, because it's such a like mind, body, spirit practice, you know? And it elevates energy levels. Great. This is also something that I want to experience more of. Okay, so those are the benefits of breath work. Let's just get started on this meditation. I will link the one that I'm doing down below, but I think he breathes through his mouth, like in through his mouth, out through his mouth for this one, but I'm gonna do in through the nose and out through the mouth just because this is my first time and breathing through the mouth is very challenging. So I'm just gonna do in through the nose, out through the mouth, and then I'm gonna follow everything else that he does. Okay, so let's begin.
Are you ready?
No.
Here, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. Just go with the flow of the breath.
Getting lightheaded. What?
Let the body do what the body is capable of doing. Slow it down and just be in this moment. Okay, recovery breath in. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Take a deep breath in and hold for 15 seconds. Exhale in 3, 2, 1. Let it go. Round number 2.
That was hard. Okay.
Breathe in.
Round number 2.
Breathe out.
Oh my God.
1 minute breath hold from now on. Feel. Become aware of your body. If you need to breathe before I give the cue, that's okay. Do you want to prolong your breath hold? Pause the video now and continue when you feel the urge to breathe.
I can't.
When you're ready, fully in and hold for 15 seconds. Exhale in 3. Back into that rhythm. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Your heart beating. Feel. Thirty seconds left.
Oh my God. Oh my God, I can't do that.
You are almost there. Do you want to prolong your breath hold? Pause the video now and continue when you feel the urge to breathe.
I think I held my breath for like a minute. Oh my God. I'm so
All right.
lightheaded.
Breathe in and hold for 15 seconds. Exhale in 3, 2, 1.
Oh,
Let it go.
I exhaled before that. Okay, day 1 completed. That was insane. I feel like I still have blurry vision, even though I didn't really close my eyes. And I was looking down at my phone because this video basically tells you to breathe with the bubble. So that's what I was doing. So you don't really have to close your eyes, although I did in the middle from time to time. That definitely made me feel uncomfortable. That was a very, very uncomfortable practice. Well done, Wim Hof. Well done. And well done, me, because I did it. But wow, Wim Hof definitely succeeded in making me feel uncomfortable. Um, Holding my breath for 30 seconds was okay, but the second round was like 1 minute. I couldn't make it the 1 minute. Third round was a minute and 30. You saw me there. I was getting a little bit distracted. So I think I held my breath for about 45 seconds. But this is my first time. So, like, holding my breath, it was my first time. And I'm actually really proud of myself that I went through it. I was yawning a lot. So, I'm actually going to find out what does yawning do? Because in tapping, I do tapping, right? And in tapping, when you yawn while tapping, it means that energy is flowing and moving through your body. And it's actually a good sign. It means that the tapping is working. So I'm really curious if it's the same for breath work. I'm actually going to Google it right now. So it's basically similar to when you're tapping. Yawning means you have activated your parasympathetic nervous system. So it actually means that the meditation or breath work is working. Okay, good to know because I was yawning at every round. I know it's supposed to make you feel energized, but I'm really sleepy right now. I feel really lightheaded and dizzy, maybe because this is my first time doing it and this is day one. So I'm looking forward to seeing how I feel at day two. But so far, day one experience, I understand what they mean by euphoric because I did feel euphoric. Definitely by round three, when I closed my eyes, I felt like I was floating. Like it was kind of like an out of body experience. What I understand with breathwork is you actually do put your body purposely into a state of stress, right? Because when you're holding your breath, obviously your body is stressed. Like it's not normal to hold your breath. So apparently, this is what helps you in the future to like withstand, or I guess your body withstand challenges, right? And I think this is why Wim Hof is called the Iceman, and he can like he literally hiked a mountain with his shorts, I think, and it was like 0 degree weather or something like that. And he's able to do that because he has put his body into such like crazy situations like breath work. So his body feels like, oh, I can do anything. So I kind of understand the purpose of his breath work. And he also does cold plunges, like cold exposure. I live in a tropical country. Like I live in Indonesia and I still cannot take cold showers. Not in the morning at like 6 a.m. Like I still prefer my warm showers. So how these people do it in winter countries is like I'm so impressed. And if you guys want to do this breath work with me for the next 7 days, I would love that because I'm actually going to be posting this day by day instead of like all the days in one video. So if you see this while I'm still on the journey, let's do it. Let's do it together. Okay, so thank you so much for watching day one, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye bye.